We are going to the importance of civic education to nations building. Now, let me give you a short definition on nation building. Nation building involves promoting national unity. That is, nation building involves promoting national unity, national integrity, national consciousness, thereby enhancing national development for a country to develop. The citizen must know their rights and responsibility and how to fight for those rights when violated by government or individual. Civic education helps the citizen to know their rights, to know their duties, and to know their rights when the government violates their rights, and to be able to fight for their rights. The following are the importance of civic education. Number one, it moves citizens to be particular in politics and social economic activities of the country. Number two, it enables students to understand the government and as a result take part in the decision-making process of the country. Number three, it reminds the students that democracy is the best form of government. And by this, citizens are able to form pillars of democracy across Nigeria. No, democracy is the best form of government. It is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people.